Welcome.
What's up, you guys? So recently I posted a video showing you guys how I create my wash and go with my TWA, and that's my teeny weeny afro. As I stated in that previous video, I had just recently done the big chop. One thing that I didn't mention in that video, which I couldn't have at the time, was that the video is much older than it seems. So I just wanted to do an update video and just show you guys how my hair is coming along, how good it's growing, how full it is. If you guys do not know, I have my own hairline. I have shampoos, conditioners, I have hair grease, I have hair oils, body butters, hair gels, you name it, I got it. And before I show you guys my hair, I'm going to grease my scalp. And this is my Today's Art I Want to Grow hair grease. I use it either once a day or once every other day. So this is what it looks like. And this is the consistency. Now this hair grease has always had a very pleasant scent to it, and also it's great for reducing shedding and also promoting growth. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this down. It's been exactly 3 months since this video clip, and I must say that my hair is growing beautifully. I never realized how quick my hair has grown in such a short amount of time. OMG, I can remember measuring my bang before, and it barely reached halfway down my forehead. I can recall about to go out of town at the end of June. I had just got a fresh set of crochet braids, and by the time I made my flight home, I had crochet braids sliding out from everywhere. That's how short my hair was. And I do recall over the years expressing how much I didn't like TWAs on me. I had a change of mind. I love wearing my hair short. Only thing is, it didn't last long. My hair is just growing so fast, I'm just in awe. I also want to share these growth stories as well. Man, it's amazing. That's all I'm gonna say. But I'm gonna leave these pictures right here, and just know that this is exactly a year after starting my products. If you guys have not checked out my website is www.tdaysart.com. I want to say thank you so much for your love and support to everyone who has already purchased from me. Y'all, I'm just so excited. This is the end of my video. Go ahead and click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button. And y'all be blessed. Bye.